If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to SLP video update today. And right now, yesterday there was a pattern that I told you have to wait for one small confirmation, and Monday has started a little bit with an issue, I guess. And this right over here is a pattern that I was looking forward to. Now you were coiling to the upside like this, moving sideways like that, and you did make one breakout. You made a bullish breakout, but right now you're looking to actually push to the downside. You still have, however, 9 hours 54 minutes to close this one red candle. But if you start to close the red candle and make bearish engulfing like that, then for me personally, it could be even time to come down again to 2901, and that's where you could be looking at the coin. Now let's turn on the EMAs at the moment. But one more thing is that the EMAs look pretty superb to me. So you did have the 10. The 10 is actually acting pretty amazing. So the 10 EMA has been a support. The 10 EMA has been a support. And again, you have the 10 and you visited the 10 EMA and you could actually be supported once again. So nothing is still wrong for SLP, but there's one level that I think is important to highlight, and that's going to be 2791. So coming to 2791 is going to be a little bit bad for SLP. So that's pretty much it for this quick one right now. There's a pattern to the upside, but I do hope the 10 EMA actually does get supported right now. We still don't have any negative structure at the moment, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.